In this problem, we are given few expressions and we have to get the result of those expressions. So first we have to get the value of 9 plus 1 factorial. So we see that this will be equal to 10 factorial, and to find it, we just take the product of the natural numbers through 1 to 10. So doing that, we will get 3628800 as the result. And in the next part, we have to get the value of the expression 6 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial. So this will be equal to 6 factorial into 3 factorial. And we see that 6 factorial, this is the product of the natural numbers through 1 to 6, and 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2 into 1. And when we simplify, we will get 4000.